Vigil brought their ground-based tethered system to the Atlanta chapter party of AUVSI XPonential 2021 and used the DJI Matrice 300 to show off their tethered system. Todd, Stave, and Schumann kicked off the party by launching at the beginning of the party and leaving it up in the air till the end. The drone stayed in the air at about 25 feet for the whole party, and as attendees walked in, they could see a drone flying. It really set the tone for the night. When it was finally brought down around 3 hours later, it had only lost about 5% of its initial power, and the power loss was stated that it was caused during the testing before the event. Now the drone is being presented to law enforcement, first responders, military, government, news media, and events, and even for communication. This is a system you're going to see a lot more of in the future.